Morning guys. So today is on Monday. It's not a very good morning for me because I had my day planned out so perfect, guys. And then let me tell you guys what happened. What was the plan? So I woke up at around 8:30, around 9. So unakumbuka jana niliwaambia like I want to edit a vlog and a reel. So I only edited the vlog, sikumanage the reel. So I woke up and I was editing the reel. So nime-edit hadi hapo around 10 ndio nimemaliza. So I was to wake up, take a bath and then go to the library. Wake up, take a bath, have breakfast and then go to the library because I need to be at main campus at 2 p.m. I have an appointment flani. So I just thought like I'd rather go and study there at the library nikingoja time ifike. So apparently nimemaliza ku-edit and now I'm waking up ready to boil my water, take a bath. Napata hakuna stima, like KPLC please like sitaki kuwa na a bad day leo. Like I don't even know what to do right now because like I haven't showered, I haven't sijakula, I've just taken a nap as you guys can see. Like I feel like I get so comfortable on my channel, like I'm just appearing to you guys na nimeamka sahi like. But yeah, so I don't know what to do right now. Like I think I'll just wait because I don't want to shower with cold water, like unless that's the last option, guys. That's the last option. But until then, let's just wait. I'm shaking. Let's just wait. But uzuri, I had charged my laptop jana, so zikikosa kurudi, I'll just study here, guys. I won't go to the library. Adi too, like, yeah. So let's just wait and see. today is on Thursday and nimetoka shule. I was just in school for about 1 hour cause like that was the plan. Like today tuliambiwa to just go for a brief session because like we have a camp coming up after our exams. We're supposed to go to a Kibwezi trip for 2 weeks and a Mombasa trip for 1 week. So ni academic trips guys, si holidays. So tulikuwa tumeenda kuambiwa the preparations, the tasks, the like just everything because we'll be there for a while. And yeah guys, so right now I just thought I should update you guys on that. My exams are starting on Monday, like the end of semester exams. I'm a bit nervous because I don't feel ready, like ready. Oh, nearly change cover. Like I changed my cover back to the black one that I had previously. Ndio maana nimeshikilia juu ilikuwa tu hapa kwa meza. So yes, I was saying my exams are on Monday na zinachukua 2 weeks. I actually don't think I'll be vlogging for that time because like I need to save this semester guys, like flames. So right now I want to go to my friend Bet and you know just catch up. Ule shule ni plan B.
Wewe ni plan A.
Mbona unakuja shule leo na tuko na exams Monday?
Si kwenye nimekuwa nikisoma.
Si sorry. Sawa basi.
It's bad.
Sawa basi.
It's the book nerd.
Hebu niende juu na kudistract.
We'll talk. Usiende aje nipe updates.
Sijakupea updates. Updates za
how have you been?
Your view is viewing. Acha kuonyesha kitu. Unakuanga creative.
Last one.
Hizi doli zako ni weird. What the bro,
give me my child. This is the last born. Ola is my first born together with she.
Yo, umekaa na hii doli sana. It's my turn. Take my clothes. Nilikuwa nimekuja kutry outfits for her to save their feet for me.
Ndio.